Hi, this is Eric at Get Me Some Green Apothecary. So I did it on Sunday. Too much yard work, too much chainsawing, and I screwed up my back. Woke up this morning, I could barely move. So I decided to head over to the store and jump on the Migun massage table. If you don't know what this is, it is a self-massaging table that uses your own body weight on these jade balls that run on a track up and down your spine, your neck, and all the way down to your ankles. It's spectacular for people like myself with low back pain and other issues. If you sit on it for the full 35-minute mode 1, it can burn up to 500 to 600 calories as well. So great for people that are trying to lose weight. So if you haven't tried it before, please come into the store and try out the Migun massage table and check out some of our other products for your 4th of July needs. We're offering 10% off right now on all orders over $40. So if you can make it in, we'd love to see you. Have a happy, safe, and a great 4th of July. Thank you very much. Eric Wiskus, out.